This is the question number 35, guys, and I'm going to explain about check if a number is an Armstrong number or not, right? So let me check. Let me tell you about that code, like step by step. So in the first step, you define the input number that you wanted to check for being an Armstrong number. In this example, we set the value to 153. Step 2, convert the number to a string. Here you convert the number to a string using toString method. This step is necessary to work with individual digit of the number. Come to the step 3, num digit. Store the number of digit in the input number, and sum is the variable where we will calculate the sum of the digit raised to the power of num digits. Step 4, calculate the sum of the digit raised to the power of num digit. And right, so what we have to do is there in this step you use a for loop to iterate through each digit of the number. You extract each digit, convert it to an integer, raise it to the power of num digit, get and add it to the sum, right, and add to the sum. So come to the uh, step 5, and step 5 what we're doing is finally you use a console.log to display whether the input number is an Armstrong number or not based on the comparison between the numbers and the calculated sum. So if they are equal, the number is considered an Armstrong, and when you run this code with the input set to 153, so it will show you 153 is an Armstrong number. So this is all about question number 35. Let's meet in the question number 36.